My first time trying this, bro. Holy crap. Everybody says it's nasty. Look. I just smelled it. It had a tangent smell. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. A very tangent smell. I'm gonna just take a little swig on a spoon. I don't expect it to be grandiose, you know what I'm saying? But I will pour like a spoonful. Oh, look at the color. Look at the color, y'all. Hold up. Hey, hold up. That's crazy. There you go. Yeah. I feel like a little gasoline oil, low key afterwards. That's what it kind of tastes like. I mean, not bloody awful, but it's not like that for, you know. This is crazy, you know. I'm about to pour this in that. That's what y'all about to see in a moment. I'm trying to think. Oh, dang. That was almost a good angle. There you go. I will get the spoon with the that's broken. I'm gonna pour spoonful into that. Just a little bit more since it fell. Whatever. That might even be a lot. Who knows? Then I already got, let's see what I put, some watermelon, some grapes, some mango, dry mango in there. Then I feel like I can cut this up. Feel like I can cut this lime up, you dig? Just want a little bit. Alright, we'll see how that does. Oh, and I put on I think I want a little more less. Oh, I almost forgot. I think I got another upload I gotta do. I'm sorry, y'all. Always thinking of stuff. Alright, just that. And that's pretty much it. Smoothie. Let me see how it is. Shouldn't have opened it. Thinking about something else, but hey, y'all get it. Frick that. Begging. Oh my gosh. Black seed oil is strong. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do some work on that. Put some like organic sweet coconut sweetener and whatnot on there. It'll be alright. But I gotta get to these uploads. So yeah. Y'all know what to do with the stuff in the bottom. In the description, I should say. Throw some more watermelon in there for sure. Peace.